Hey, how are you? In this video, I'm going to explain the ROI of each customer in your insurance agency and how you can scale by knowing your numbers. So before I dive into the video, guys, I want to do a quick shout out to Tudo. Boom, Tudo popped up right here. It is the system that we use to generate leads. We invest a lot of money into Tudo every single month to generate these leads and follow up and sell and keep them in pipelines and manage and retarget and get Google reviews and do a bunch of different automation things in my agency that have helped us be super, super efficient and make hundreds of thousands, if not possibly, well, in the long run, millions of dollars in commission. So highly recommend it. There's a 14-day free trial. Check it out. It's a very powerful system. There's a lot it can do, so you'll probably be a little overwhelmed when you see it because there's a lot it can do. But just know if you do email and texting campaigns where you drip and send out a lot of emails and texts to different customers, this system, I want to make it super clear, it doesn't have pre-populated contacts in it. A lot of people think this is like a lead system that you're going to just start getting leads. You need to create you need to put contacts in, and then from there you can create campaigns to follow up, hit people up, outreach campaigns. So that's how it works. It's not going to just start popping leads into your funnel. You need to create your own leads. But it's a very, very powerful tool. It can 10x your activity that you can do on your own by cold calling or emailing on your own or having a sales team. It's like 10 salespeople in one. All right, let's dive into the video. I'm going to explain the ROI and the value of each customer and honestly lead pretty much if you break it down to the real numbers. And why this business makes sense and why so many people are jumping into this business and making a ton of money. Just remember, like, we all have the same products. We all have the same companies for the most part. And there are some agents that are doing millions of dollars and there's some agents that are making $50,000 a year. What's the difference? Why are some doing so well? Let me just answer that question. They know their numbers. This business is all about residual income. Renewals is the key to the insurance business. It is not your first time commission. It is the renewals. You can build a giant business and have the residual income for years and years. It's like an annuity. This thing is like a giant annuity. This business is amazing. One of the best businesses. I believe it has created the most millionaires in any industry ever. So, what is the ROI of each customer in your book? So first things first, you need to know your average premium of your customer. In my agency, the average premium is around $4,000 to $5,000 premium annually. So what is my commission? My commission is a little bit higher on some carriers, so it can range up to between 10 to 15%, and some carriers even up to like 18%, which is amazing. Let's just say, keep it super simple because most agents are on like 10% commission. For on average $5,000 premium, we make $500 per customer renewal per year. Okay, so $5,000, 10% commission, $500 commission. Now, then the question is, what's the lifetime value, also known as LTV? What is the lifetime value of each customer? We have roughly an 89, 90, 92%, somewhere between 89 and 92% retention rate every single year. So let's just keep it simple. Let's just say a customer stays on the books for an average of 5 years. We've only been in business for 5 years, so we don't have enough data to even tell like really what the true lifetime value of a customer is. But let's just say that in average, a customer will stay on the books for 5 years. So another example here. You spent $500 on marketing. Boom, that $500 marketing on, let's just say Tudo, you're bumping texts, emails, campaigns, you bought some really good lists of data to put in and start hitting people up. It costs you $500 to reach them all and to follow up and do all the things. And then boom, you get one sale out of your $500 investment on the marketing. You got 100 leads. Let's just say one of them turned into a deal and it was a $5,000 premium. So boom, you made a commission of $500. that just paid for the marketing. So now you broke even. Everyone's like, oh, that's great, I broke even. No, that's not just it. Now, you wait another year. Let's just say, like I said, you made $500, but they renew next year. Boom, you made your first profit. Now you're in the profit zone because that investment of $500 covered itself, but next year you made $500. But if they stay for 5 years, that means that for 4 years you actually made money. So you really just made the lifetime value, the value of that customer is $2,000. So the question is, would you be willing to spend $500 today so that you can make $2,000 within the next 5 years? Most people are going to say yes to that. I say yes to that every single time. So just remember that this business is all about knowing your numbers. Like, these are real numbers that my agency has, and it's important because this is how you scale. This is what you do. You are willing to spend $500. I'm willing to pay $10,000 to make a $10,000 commission. Like, I'm willing to do that because I know that my renewal, my retention is 89, 90, 92%. I'm going to keep that client for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. It's going to make me 20, 30,000. So I'm basically buying customers now at zero profit so that they could pay me in the future. That's why I said this is like an annuity. So hopefully that helps you understand what this business is all about. So if you're willing to spend $10 today so that you can make $5 for the rest of your life, you should do it. Like, that's the key message here. It's a great business. Spend money to make money. Cliche, but it's true. And that's the insurance business. Hopefully that helps you. That's how I've grown my business. I've gone like forecasting. I've doubled down. I've spent money that I didn't even have. I put stuff on credit cards. Don't recommend it. But I've really pushed. I've kept my foot on the gas, and we've broken 3 million in 5 years. It's not even that really crazy, but this year we grew over 1 million in just 1 year. I'm really, really happy about that. I had my team, really push to do that. Next year, 2024, we're almost there. It's a month away, but we're trying to go for 2 million in growth. So we're trying to take it to 5. We want the book to get to 5. The ultimate goal is to get to 10 million, and that is going to be a great day. So I will let everybody know when I get to 10 million, but that's it. That's the key. Hopefully that does give you some confidence, some motivation to spend money on leads, make money back, and it'll pay you forever. Then you have to have good customer service. Don't mess that part up.